Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gazza9919, and what we're going to be doing today is the sort of next step with Dennis. Because the fog lights on him have probably been on since factory and they are literally corroded where all the chrome paint is. Instead of just like stripping them apart with a heat gun and like repainting them with the chrome spray and stuff, and plus the bulbs are blown, so I think, you know what, I'm just going to replace the whole lot. Right then, so these are the new ones. There's two of them, obviously. And straight out the box, they look so much better than the ones that are on now. Obviously these are brand new. Spent £40 on a pair of these. Don't think it did too bad. It's just kind of awkward because this back bit catches on the way out, so that's why I say we're probably going to have to take the front bumper off to get proper access to it. But now the only issue is, behind the front bumper is two sort of bolts, and they are very rusty, and the last time I dealt with two bolts on a different car the same as this, they ended up snapping. So we have a little helping hand from Mr. WD over there. So it was a bit of a struggle, but we managed to get it out. It's just little clips like that, and under here that just tend to catch on stuff and makes life awkward. So we'll see how we get on with the new ones going in, because also we're missing this as well, so that probably helped quite a bit. So now we have an issue where the fog lights won't work at the front when they're turned on. Everything, all the wiring's connected correctly, so I'm thinking maybe it's a fuse, which I'm quite sure is here. Which one, I don't know, because I'm sure we got some more fuses on the passenger side. I'm going to read up on this, see which fuse is what, and see if it's blown. Right then, so that is the fog lights fitted. Unfortunately, they still don't work, because I did give them a try. I've checked all the fuses, I've checked all the wiring and that. I've even checked the switch, and unfortunately I can't quite figure out what it is. So I mean, I guess I'm putting it down to a faulty connection, because when I got the connectors off that connected the actual fog light, they had a slight bit of crusty black bit around it, and a bit of sort of green lime scaly looking stuff. So I assumed that I'm going to have to go to a scrapyard and maybe trim the connectors off another one and rewire it myself, and hopefully that should be okay, because not only did I just have the new fog lights, I put new bulbs in them as well, so there's no excuse for the bulbs not to work except for the wiring. So yeah, I'll sort that out another time and maybe update you guys in another video. But that is it for this video. If you have enjoyed seeing the progress of Dennis, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, maybe even hit the bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time guys, peace.